learners, Lauren here. And today, we're going to explore 3 powerful tools within the built-in Whiteboard app. Importing an image, adding a text box, and using sticky notes. These tools can help make your lessons more engaging and interactive. Let's get started. First, let's bring an image into our whiteboard. Tap the 3 horizontal dots on the bottom left of your whiteboard toolbar. Select Image from the options. Choose your source. This could be from the internal storage, a USB drive, or even a cloud if you've connected it. If you saved an image to the panel itself, it'll pop up here in Photos. If you would like to add that to the whiteboard, simply tap on it and it will import to your panel. If you would like to import an image from your drive, such as your OneDrive or your Google Drive, follow the same steps to open image sources. Then, click on the 3 dots on the upper right-hand corner. Then tap Browse. This will bring up anything you have saved in your drive as an image. Simply tap on the photo you wish to import, and you're good to go. If you have a thumb drive plugged into the panel and would like to access those images, follow the same route as you did for cloud storage. Tap on the 3 dots in the bottom left-hand corner, tap on Image, and then tap on the 3 dots on the upper right-hand corner here. When you tap Browse, you'll see the same menu pop up. Next, in the upper left-hand corner of your panel, you will see 3 horizontal lines that kind of look like a hamburger. If you tap that, it will open your source menu. From here, you can access the USB drive and tap any image to import to the whiteboard, just as we did from our Google Drive. Remember, once an image is imported to the whiteboard, you can long press on it to resize it or drag it around the panel. You also have the sub-menu below where you can copy paste, cut and paste, rearrange your order of layering, lock and unlock, and delete the image. Now, let's add a text box. This is great for labeling, writing instructions, or typing instead of handwriting. Tap the 3 horizontal dots on the bottom left-hand corner of your whiteboard toolbar. Then select Text from the options. Select your color and size from the menu. Then tap anywhere on the panel to add your text. Type your text using the keyboard here. Once you're finished, tap outside the text box to set the text. If you'd like to move, resize, or change the text, simply long press on it, and you'll see the same menu options pop up for the sub-menu. Remember, you can retext, copy-paste, cut and paste, reorder your layering, lock and unlock, and delete. And of course, you can change the color here as well. Just like this. Now, let's add a sticky note. These are great for brainstorming, student ideas, or quick reminders. Tap those same 3 horizontal dots on the bottom left-hand side of your whiteboard toolbar. Then select Sticky Note from the options here. Choose your color by tapping on it, and then tap the panel wherever you would like the sticky note to go. You can move the sticky note around by long pressing on it, just like we did with the text box and image. And you can do the same. Copy, paste, cut, paste, change the layering order, and delete. You can, of course, change the color here as well. You can write on top of these using your writing tools, or even use the text box that we just created. To recap, you've imported an image, added a text box, and used sticky notes. All of these tools help make your whiteboard sessions more visual and collaborative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.